What's up, everybody? We just received a fresh box of Raw Living Spirulina coming from, where are we coming from? Vero, Florida?
Oh, is it?
Vero Beach, Florida.
Vero Beach, Florida. I used to go there.
Great
Because I'm from
place.
Florida. Yeah.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Oh, good stuff. This is the best superfood you can possibly eat. This is all the enzymes your body needs, amino profiles, full protein complex, everything you could possibly want is right here. It's also a probiotic, right? So it does everything in one jar. One jar is equivalent to 1,000 pounds of vegetables. This is a raw, living food, and we are going to start to deep dive into this bad boy right here, coming from a freshwater aquifer.
I like what it says on the side there you were showing me.
Which one right here? Farm to Spoon?
You experience something completely different. Farm to Spoon, world's most powerful superfood. And then on this side, it has an eco-friendly cooler.
Yeah, they ship this thing. The
See,
whole
we should
thing's
have got an
compostable.
eco-friendly cooler today.
This is what we
Our
need,
cooler,
but today
yeah.
that cooler
Our cooler
exploded.
busted.
Shame on us.
On our podcast.
So let's deep dive into this. And their mission is to provide the world with the most powerful superfood with the intent of helping humanity regain optimal health while improving the ecology of the planet. If that's not the highest density living quote you've ever heard in your life, I don't know what
I
is.
love it, yeah. Here, let me get you a knife.
You got a knife?
And that's a knife?
Oh, here we go. Here's a big boy.
Yeah.
Let's get in here. Let's see what we got. Let's unbox this. Let's unpack this whole idea. All right.
Yeah, and they have to ship it.
They have
really
to ship
quickly.
it fresh. They do it. You're getting something that is so
I think
fresh.
it only took like 2 days to get here from when you told me to order it.
Yeah, they got an on-site biologist. They harvest this thing every Tuesday, I believe. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, nice thank you card coming in.
Yeah,
Nice
friend.
print, huh?
Thank you. Yeah, I like that.
That's fantastic. Good artwork. Oh, it gives us our two options, refrigerate or freeze. Mind you, it's only going to last within 12 days if you refrigerate.
So I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator because that will force me to
That'll
eat
force
it
you
in
to
12
eat
days.
it. Yeah, because if
And
you freeze it, you forget about it.
is it morning and night?
Yeah, you take this thing morning and night. You take a spoonful in the morning, spoonful at night. All right, this is
Oh,
going to give
okay.
you everything you need. By the time you're done 12 days, that's 1,000 pounds of vegetables.
That's crazy.
Like, are you shitting me?
Yeah,
That's
think
going to
about
fill up
that.
this entire room. Thank you, Raw Living Spirulina. Nice booklet. Look at this. They break it down. They tell you about the raw, the benefits beyond fresh as a whole superfood, their farming and harvesting operations in the aquifer.
So I was talking about this with somebody at work, and I
Yeah.
was mentioning this. So the farming, I mean, think about like food sources and what we have and the ability to be able to farm like this.
This is fantastic. So
I mean,
all
as
the
far
space.
as like, the space and the eco.
Think about the hectares of corn and stuff that we
Yeah.
have to have.
Yeah.
Even the grain to feed animal.
Right.
Do you know that this is one of the best animal feeds you can also use too?
Really?
Cows love this stuff. Chickens will eat it. Absolutely any
Everything.
type of like animal husbandry, that type of thing. They will
Right.
just like go right at it.
That's crazy. So
Let's go a little
this
further.
is like a cold thing, huh?
Oh my god, they did a fantastic job.
It's even Swedish, Nordic ice,
Nordic
it's
ice.
Viking ice.
Look
yeah.
at they are way up there, huh? Oh baby. Props to Raw Living Spirulina. This is fantastically packed.
Oh, I love that.
That's
Poppy
us,
pops. Yeah.
that's here we go. Harvested on top. Look at that. Even gives us our batch
August
of use by
19th.
date.
And then used by 9/1.
Thank you. That way I don't have to keep counting the days.
A spoonful of life.
That's what it is. Let's look at the color here. Let's bring it in real
Oh,
close.
yeah. Can you guys see that? Oh, yeah.
Oh, that is alive. That is alive. That thing is squirming. Huh?
Oh, that's crazy.
We got to get some.
So everybody's going to say, like, now that I see that, everybody's
Yeah.
going to say taste.
Yeah, what's the taste?
Yeah, what's the taste like?
Tasteless, okay? Texture, yogurt.
Right.
Taste, zero flavor.
Really? Because I'm going to try this.
No,
we're
you
gonna
got
try
it.
this
No,
right now.
we're going to go in right now and we're going to feel this out. But this is where the party's at. Now, the second this is harvested, it also begins to break down because it's in a jar. So, like all natural living things, it's going to have a smell the second we open it.
Yeah, let me get that black knife out of the way.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh yeah, they packed that. See that? So it's got a smell, right? It's
yeah,
pretty-
yeah.
It's a little right.
It smells like algae. Yeah.
Yeah,
Like-
it does. But it's not going to have any flavor to it. So it's strange. It's a
so
strange
if somebody-
context. So it goes
Yeah,
on the
so
tongue.
if somebody buys it and they smell it and then they put it in the fridge and then it goes bad,
Yeah.
you're done. You need to like take the,
You go for it.
yeah, just go for
Just
it.
make
Yeah.
it happen. Like, look at the color on this. Can we get under the light? I don't know if you can see that. Oh man, that's
Wow, look at
beautiful.
that, Yeah.
And props to them for putting it in a glass jar. I mean, like that couldn't be any more high vibration for us here. So you got a couple options. You can eat it right off the spoon, or you can mix it into your water. Let's just deep dive. Where are the spoons at?
They're right here in this drawer. We got a spoon. How much are we supposed to put?
Just put one spoonful here. I'll hook you up. You ready?
Yes.
See how he dives in like yogurt? Go for it. No, I swear, he's just hammering. Yeah.
No, I'm not gonna hammer. Let me put it in my water.
No, come on. All right, here. All right, you hold that.
I'll hold mine.
Show the crowd. Bring it in real
Yeah.
close.
He wanted me to hammer that.
Yeah.
That's not happening.
Right, this little spoonful of life right here. Okay, just go right in,
Wow.
and just like that, gone.
It's just gone.
Oh my God, that's fantastic.
Okay, let me try it in
Look how
the
clean it
water.
comes off the spoon.
You did it off the spoon.
All
All
right, here you
super
go.
clean.
Here you go.
I'm gonna do it in the water, and
I'll
there's
make
no
sure
taste, right?
Zero taste.
And you're not supposed to stir it too much.
You don't
or-
want to whip it because it's got a really gentle cellular structure. So it's important that we.
So you got
preserve
yours
that.
done over with.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna be like going through
Now
drinking a whole bunch. I need to drink some water anyways
You're
because we
pro-
got we got elevated
You did get elevated, all right.
on the podcast. So
La Cumbra, that's what I'm talking about.
yeah. So now
Get it off the spoon. There we go. We're mixing it in. Real gentle here. Nice and dark for you. All right, Jason. There you go.
okay.
Hold on a second. Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah, you got water. Yeah, you can't taste it.
There's nothing going on.
No, you can smell it a little bit, but
Yeah.
there's absolutely no taste.
No, there's nothing there, and then that smell goes away.
Oh, okay.
It was only
cool.
because it sat there in the jar, so it's just briefly after the harvest.
Mm.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Not
that's
bad,
what it looks
huh?
like. But you cannot. If somebody sees this, they're going to be like, "What?"
Yeah, like,
but
what
you
is that?
cannot.
You can, look at the difference it did to the water.
I know.
that
But
great?
yeah, but you cannot taste anything.
No, there's nothing. And
There's absolutely no taste.
Yeah, don't.
I'm a
percent.
picky eater, all that stuff.
Yeah,
I
I was
would
worried.
say, yeah.
No, this is. I'm telling you, no taste to it. It's amazing stuff, and it gives you absolutely everything your body's always wanted.
That's crazy. Well, I'll be doing this for morning and night. This will be my thing.
And let's. I
For
want
the
you.
next-
We'll start for the next
and then-
12 days.
Next 12 days, and then maybe we can come back after like a week or something like that, and we'll talk about it. And then at the end of the 12 days, we'll talk about it.
Yeah, let's talk about how you're feeling.
Yeah, because I think if they want to go to the website, I
Website,
think it's right.
rawlivingspirulina.com.
Yeah, rawlivingspirulina.com.
The longest website URL you've ever heard of.
And it's
right?
kind of spendy, but at the same time, you're getting something that is like that vegetable powder. Let's grab that, my
Yeah,
smoothie
let's-
boost.
can we do a little-
It's organic, so let's do some comparison here.
Let's do some comparison here.
So you were telling me, so I bought this at a store, and I've
Yes.
been throwing this in my smoothies,
And you felt good about yourself.
and I felt good about myself. Let me grab my green juice here.
Yeah.
So go ahead and tell me about that stuff.
I'm glad you brought this up. So what happens is when you take a cell wall like this and you're trying to preserve the enzymes of the plant and its nutrients, or for instance the algae and its nutrients, when you dehydrate something, you're essentially killing it, right?
Right.
You're destroying that organic structure it had in place. So when you're trying to absorb these nutrients into your blood, you're only getting a small fraction, if anything, of the original nutrients that were actually pitched on this product, right? So when they go and they check the nutritional facts, it's not, oh, we're not checking the nutritional facts of something that's been totally dehydrated. We're checking it as something that's alive and
That
living,
when it was alive, right?
right? And so when we go to have this, we're essentially just consuming dead
So
material.
you would need that moringa vegetable to look like this,
Correct.
and to come in a glass jar, sent in a day or two.
Yes.
You know, or else you got to live like right next to the farm.
Because if we're harvesting this material right away,
Right.
it immediately begins to lose the original energy that the plant had.
Oh, okay, that makes
Or
sense.
for instance, our algae. So that's why you want to have it as fresh as possible and as soon as possible.
Yeah,
And
that
that's
makes
why we
sense.
find the benefit. Raw Living Spirulina.
Yeah, I think that's awesome.
Yeah.
So let's go into a little bit about the podcast that we did today, and then we'll be done. Because can we do it in like, I want to keep this at 10 minutes. So you
Yeah, we
got
can do
30
10 minutes,
seconds.
fine. 30 seconds. So today we jumped into higher density living. That is our podcast that is coming out, and we're talking about the connectedness of all of us as individuals and things we can do in our everyday life to increase our vibration and move through the densities so that we can improve not only our lifestyle, but then share that journey that we have with others so they can also improve themselves. Okay? And talk about health. That's the first step. That's an easy thing for people to do. Food. So let's get on it. Raw Living Spirulina.
And that's going to be our next podcast too, right?
Yeah, we're
Are
going to
we
be talking about food.
Yeah, and it being like having a higher conscious, like when you eat,
Yeah, that's
and what
it's
that
about.
means.
Right?
Yeah,
Making those conscious choices with what you actually intake in your body.
I love it. I love it. Well, cool. Well, thanks, Alex. Thanks for
everybody.
sharing this with this, and I hope that this will. You guys can go to Raw Living Spirulina. You can see it right here. Raw Living Spirulina, and you can go right to that, to their website, and you can order it, and they will send it to you in this cool ice bag.
Yeah, get your
And,
hands
then,
on it.
and I will do updates on how we're feeling.
I love it. Let's do it.
That'd be cool. Perfect. Well, thanks.
Thanks, everyone.